My friend Winston there from 68. Work every day in the NHS. Watch them deport him like he was one criminal.
The problem is that a lot of the Windrush generations never applied for a British passport when they arrived here, because back then the kids would have travelled on their parents' passports.
So what happened with your friend Winston?
Dead in Jamaica. No family. No help.
The first British ships arrived in the Caribbean in 1623. It is inhumane and cruel for so many of that Windrush generation to have suffered so long in this condition.
After 50 years, yes sir, Babylon tell him say him not belong here. We never ask for your hangout. We ask for respect. We build the roads, look after your picnic them, and what? We end up back on a plane and we are like we are thief.